There is the alpha who leads the pack. There is the beta who follows the pack. But there is a third archetype that exists outside the hierarchy entirely, the sigma. The lone wolf? He doesn't play the game. He doesn't seek approval. He walks alone. Biologically, this drives women insane. Why? Because a man who needs nothing is a man who cannot be controlled. Today, we are going to break down the 4 psychological laws that make the Sigma male the most attractive archetype on Earth. Law number 4 is the ultimate negotiation tactic. Law 1. Solitude is power. Most men are terrified of being alone. They jump from relationship to relationship because they need a woman to feel complete. This is called codependency. It smells like fear. She threatens to leave you, or she pulls away. The beta panics. Please don't go. I can't live without you. The sigma is You must learn to enjoy your own company. Go to the movies alone. Eat at a restaurant alone. When a woman realizes that you are perfectly happy without her, she knows she has no leverage. She cannot manipulate you with loneliness because you have befriended the silence. Law 2. The mystery of silence. The loudest man in the room is usually the most insecure. He is barking for attention. The sigma sits back and observes. He speaks 20% of the time and listens 80% of the time. You are at a party. Everyone is bragging about their jobs or their cars. Instead of joining the noise, you stay quiet. You watch. You smirk. Women project their fantasies onto silent men. When you don't reveal everything, she fills in the blanks with her imagination. She thinks, what is he thinking? He seems dangerous. He seems smart. Let her imagination do the work for you. Be a puzzle she has to solve. Law 3. Non-conformity. Following trends is weak. Following the crowd is weak. The sigma creates his own path. He has his own moral code. She asks, why don't you have Instagram? Everyone has Instagram. The beta apologizes. Oh, I should probably get one. The sigma says, I prefer real life. I don't need strangers to like my photos. Do not apologize for being different. Own it. If you hate clubs, don't go to clubs. If you dress differently, wear it with pride. Non-conformity signals that you are a leader of one, not a follower of many. Law 4. The walk away. In any negotiation, the person who is willing to walk away holds all the power. The sigma is never afraid to burn the bridge if the bridge is rotten. She disrespects you. She crosses a boundary. You don't argue. You don't scream. You don't try to fix her. You simply vanish. This is the nuclear option. When you walk away without looking back, it creates a massive vacuum. She will panic. She will realize that you are not desperate. The sigma knows his worth, and he taxes it heavily. If she cannot pay the tax of respect, she cannot afford his presence. I have a challenge for you. Are you comfortable eating alone in a restaurant with no phone, just enjoying the food? Type YES if you can do it. Type nitrogen monoxide if it scares you. Be honest. You don't need to be loud to be strong. The wolf doesn't bark at the dogs. For more on the Sigma mindset, subscribe to Love Unveiled. I'll see you in the next video.